iba ang dating Pasko natin sa National Film Festival. We shall see the story of Aunt Mary Wall. Very happy. Kamusta na ang Pasko niyo? Masaya ba?
3 o'clock daw, Victoria. Pero meet up dapat. Meet up ka lang.
Merry Christmas. Picture po. Wait lang.
Of course, with it like Christmas.
Perfect. Hoy, wag mo yung pesa.
Chubby! Who was hosting naman yesterday. I know, grabe dito si... Excited na ba kayo magpasko? Excited na ba kayo manood ng Aunt Mary? Ako rin. Pero thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much dahil full support tayo kay Zanjo, kay Angelica, kay Solen, kay Nico, at sa lahat ng cast ng Aunt Mary. I'm so happy to see everyone.
Isang opalite naman dyan. Charot lang. Chong, I'm sure panoorin mo itong lahat ng mga movies.
Sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto ko maging mabait na kaibigan ngayong Pasko. Lahat ng pelikula papanood.
Wow! All 8 films
Oo, tsaka may date na kami ni Uge. Yung talagang papanoorin namin lahat.
Grabe.
Diba? Kailangan tayo, full support tayo sa pelikulang Pilipino.
Alright. Thank you, Encho. Post for photos muna, no? Just in case they want to take posts online. That's Encho D. Siya rin po ang nag-host ng Metro Manila Film Festival Parade kahapon. Hindi siya nabasa ng ulan. Daya, kami yung nabasa. Gwapo ni Enchong, no? Asa na mga fans ni Enchong? Grabe. Thank you so much, Enchong. See you inside Cinema City.
Terena. Baris pa picture. Go Mare.
For Andy and Britney! Yan ang mga isa sa kanya, di ba? Let's invite Andy and Britney here.
Sunshine.
There you have it. Thank you, Andy and Britney! Thank you. Let's go inside. Maraming salamat. Our guests, Kian and Glyza! Maris Racal! Wow! Grabe! Bewang na tinubuan ng tao. Okay, please greet everybody. Glyza, please.
Hello everyone, good evening. Excited na ba ang lahat na mapanood ang Aunt Mary?
Yes!
Kami rin. Siyempre support tayo sa lahat ng pelikula ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Siyang tunay, di ba? Kaya naman, Abisala Esh.
Ayun! I love it. Kian!
Salamat sa suporta nyo sa Mary. Suportahan natin lahat. Try natin to. Pagkalat natin ng magaganda yung pelikula sa festival na malaki po ang Mary. Thank you.
And of course, ang napaka-sexy Maris Racal!
Good evening, everyone!
Good evening!
I'm so happy to be here. Of course, support ako kay Ate Angelica. And excited akong panoorin ang Aunt Mary. Sana panoorin niyo at supportahan niyo lahat ng films this coming December 20.
Thank you, Bongay! Let's pose for photos muna. Let's pose for photos.
Trinoma Cinema 6, let's give it up! Show your love and your energy, capture your best photos, smile for the cameras!
Alright. See you inside Cinema 6, Kian, Glyza. Time!
Sir MJ, it keeps continuing the stars.
Ay, nako! Gusto ko to! Ka-message ko lang to sa Instagram. John.
So, syempre po, support namin sa Angelica, si Angelica, si Sancho. And of course, kaya Tony Jody sa Quantum Fields. Malaki ang utang na loob ko dyan sa Quantum
Tony
Fields.
Jody, of course.
Kaya full support naman kami sa Aunt Mary. At syempre, ang i-clarify ko lang, hindi po live story ni Pokwa.
Ay! Ay!
Ayun.
Ay!
Ayun.
pamilya ng ating anak na si Angelica. May lalab, Sanjo. Ayan.
Anong pakiramdam na Ann Mary?
Hindi ko alam.
Yeah!
Masaya, malaya.
Correct. Siyempre, yung mga barkada nyo tong mga to eh,
Oo
mga
naman,
kaibigan.
Banana Sunday pa.
Diba? And this time, hindi comedy. Drama.
Ay, talaga. Tama, naglagay ako ng tissue doon sa bag.
Exacto.
Ako kasi, of course, sinulat dito ng matalik ko kaibigan na si Direk Chris Martinez.
That's right.
So, super excited. I heard na comeback ito ni Direk Jeffrey na napakahusay din na director.
Uy, Direk Jeffrey, Deturian.
Oh.
Direk namin ni Mela yan sa ano, We Will Survive.
Ay, wow! Ay, may trivia ako.
Oh,
Naalala niyo ba yung Here Comes the Bride? Kasama si Sweet doon, pinag-uusapan namin kahapon. Siya ang nagturo nung sayaw-sayaw ni Angelica. Sampon! Sampon!
Ang producer.
Tama. Palakpakan natin, Sweet and Pokwang!
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas sa inyo.
O, diba? Controversial Pokwang. I love it.
There we have it, Trinoma Cinema 6. Welcome to the red carpet. Trinoma Cinema 6, let's show your love and support
For Donna, Adrian, and Tess!
I'm excited to be here. I'm happy to be here. I can't wait to see.
Kinakabahan ka ba mapanood si Z?
Yeah, and he was so excited kasi when he was shooting this.
Okay.
When he comes home and he's happy from a shoot, that's when I know na parang, okay.
Yun nga daw, parang tuwing umuwi siya, minsan pa daw nauuwi daw niya yung character, minsan pa.
Correct. Kailangan nagpo-process pa kami after.
Pero it's good to see Z back with Angge.
Correct.
Di ba?
They make sense.
Right.
Okay, this is Jen Z's sister.
Hello.
Jen Z's dad.
Okay, let's hear from
Welcome,
them
guys.
naman. Ano pong masasabi ninyo? Sancho! Si Daddy, sister naman.
Yeah, we're really excited. My dad is here, my other brother's coming too.
Oh, may accent. Ba't si Sancho wala namang...
So I'm from New Jersey.
What happened? ikaw na lang. Well, thank you very much. We'll see you inside Cinema 6. Maraming salamat. Please post your photos lang here at the center.
All out ang support for Sanjo Marudo, guys. Exciting. Thank you,
Thank you.
Angelica, ang ganda-ganda. Pagilid mo na, sir. Pagilid mo na po. Ito lang. Okay na po. Sir. Thank you po. Thank you po. Sir Tomas. Tomas. Ma'am, excuse me po, ma'am. Labas po tayo. Excuse me po, labas po tayo ng konti. Excuse me po, ma'am. Labas po tayo ng konti.
And of course, hindi makukompleto ang ating gabi without calling the lead stars of Ann Mary. Trinoma, please welcome Sanjo Marudo and Angelica Panganiban!
Trinoma Cinema 6, they are here. Everybody show your love and support. Everyone's capturing the photos, their biggest smiles. The stars are here for Ann Mary. Welcome to red carpet.
Oh my God, they're here! This is Angelica Panganiban's comeback. And of course, reunited sila ni Sanjo Marudo. Oh my God, they're here! Z and Angelica. Please greet everybody again.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Maraming salamat for being here. Very, very excited kami. Sana pare-parehas tayo na nararamdaman.
Z!
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa amin. Kahit na matraffic umulan, nandito kayo ngayon para supportahan kami. Yes, sana magustuhan niyo yung pelikula. Sobrang salamat.
And of course, Eugene Domingo!
Magandang gabi po. Ano po,
Ganda ng kulot ng buhok, ha? Tom Rodriguez!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ika-copy-paste ko lang sinabi nila, please, sa December 25 po, huwag niyong palalampasin ang Unmarried.
Thank you, Tom. Solen!
Advance Merry Christmas. Ito ang regalo namin para sa inyo, Unmarried.
And of course, Zach!
Hello everyone. I hope you enjoy our movie and please watch it December 25. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Zach. Angge, how does it in a few minutes?
Kung ano-ano nang nararamdaman ko, huwag na nating kalkalin. Baka may ibang lumabas.
Pero ano yan, nervyos, excitement, lahat.
Yes, lahat talaga. Lahat. May positive, may negative. You're parang ang anxious mo, ang restless mo, but lahat ng ganyan, it's because I'm very, very excited.
Angge, we're excited also. This is your comeback!
Comeback na comeback na.
Comeback na to. Let's pose for photos. Isang group photo lang before we go. Sino ba kita papaakyatin on stage? Paakyatin daw. Isang picture na to ni Joji. Wala ka nang magagawa. Tinawag na kita on mic.
Trinoma Cinema 6, let's give it up for the cast of Unmarried!
Isang group photo lang. Ayan, let's have a group
Got a
photo.
special photo op for them.
Again, please post this online. Malaking help to para to promote the film. Starting on December 25 ang Unmarried. Kaway-kaway lang daw for video. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you. Inside Cinema 6. Angelica, ito na!
Once again,